Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel named Learning to Learn, and this is 1 Minute 1 Concept series. If you haven't seen all the videos in the past, please do watch those videos. You can see those videos from the I section above. Now, today's topic is from the small group teaching method tutorials. Tutorials can be home tuitions. You and many of the people might have attended these kind of tuitions, home tuitions near your home or somewhere else. So here what happens is there is a tutor and there are small group of people like 15 students or 30 students, limited students, and a teacher tries to explain the topics to the student. The advantage of this method is the teacher can give more individualized attention to each and every student, whereas the disadvantage is it is very time consuming. So I hope this helps. Bye everyone.